and turns out I got COVID.
Popular podcaster and mixed martial arts celebrity Joe Rogan announcing today on Instagram he contracted COVID, but says with a mixture of medicines, including the controversial horse dewormer that has poisoned hundreds of people nationwide, he's now recovered.
We immediately threw the kitchen sink at it. All kinds of meds, monoclonal antibodies, ivermectin, Z-Pak, prednisone, everything.
Rogan says he went through one bad night of symptoms but has improved over the last 3 days. He has yet to say publicly whether he is vaccinated and has gone against public health officials saying younger, healthy people don't need to get vaccinated. Speaking of younger people, with schools back in session with in-person learning and kids under 12 still unable to get vaccinated, we're starting to see what that means for the transmission of COVID among the young.
The closer you are to someone, the more likelihood there can be of transmission.
LA County Public Health Director Barbara Ferrer holding a briefing today with the superintendent on the latest numbers, and they show a clear advantage to getting kids vaccinated. That dotted blue line on top is for unvaccinated kids aged 12 to 17. The solid blue line on the bottom is the same age group, but with a vaccine. And more good news, it appears infections among all age groups are coming down.
Over the last week, we've now started to see case rates decrease or plateau among children of all ages.
With Labor Day weekend nearly upon us, the CDC with a warning today to those who still refuse to get a vaccine.
First and foremost, if you are unvaccinated, we would recommend not traveling.
The U.S. now surpassing 160,000 new cases a day on average, with hospitalizations topping 100,000.
Given where we are with disease transmission right now, we would say that people need to take these risks into their own consideration as they think about traveling.
And one more note about vaccinations. Moderna has submitted their initial data to the FDA to get a booster authorized for emergency use. Pfizer is likely to go into use about September 20th. That's the date that President Biden has set to try and get those boosters for everyone else. If Moderna's goes through, that should come sometime shortly thereafter.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel. And download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.